3 people have been sentenced to prison for vandalizing a beloved veteran memorial in Rockdale County. In 2017, thieves broke into the Walk of Heroes Memorial at Black Shoals Park, and then they cut down 2 of the 5 bronze statues of soldiers, according to the Rockdale Newton Citizen. Brian Sears and Wendell Tolbert were sentenced to 25 years, and the 3rd suspect, Keisha Black, was sentenced to 15. The memorial honored all of those who have served in the military over the last century. The damage was estimated at $200,000.
To the community, this is the board of directors of the Walk of Heroes Veterans War Memorial, and we just want to share with all the viewing audience that this memorial is now back to whole, which would mean that on December 15th, 2017, we're aware of the theft vandalism issue out here, and the statues were stolen and destroyed, and a lot of bronze plaques were taken. With this picture today and the statues behind me, all of the bronze plaques have been put in place, so this memorial is back to December 14th, 2017. This memorial goes back realistically to the groundbreaking in October of 2001. What you see out here, if you come out here, and those of you that have and those of you that hadn't need to get out here, is roughly $2.8 million when you enter the gate. This is a very honorable memorial with a great historical perspective in terms of the pavers of those who served in the programs we hold out here. So on behalf of the board of directors, we seek your continued support to help this memorial stay maintained, and please come out and visit us.